Hi everybody! With the recent spread of the coronavirus, it may be difficult to find hand sanitizer in the shops, or it might be getting a little bit expensive. So today, we're going to show you how to make your own. Warning: do make sure you have mom or dad's permission or help when you do this. First, you need to select a bottle. This is important because you need to determine how much you're going to be making. You need some alcohol and some aloe vera gel, and you also need some items to measure them. So in this case, I have a plastic syringe and a little plastic cup. For hand sanitizer, it needs to be 60% alcohol to be effective. So today we use 7 milliliters of 95% alcohol plus 3 milliliters of gel. This would give us a total of 10 milliliters. Now 7 milliliters of 95% alcohol will give us 6.65 milliliters of alcohol. 6.65 divided by 10 milliliters gives us 66.5% alcohol. So we have more than 60%. Now I'll take the syringe and measure out 3 milliliters of aloe vera gel, and I'm going to pour 7 milliliters of alcohol into this little measuring cup. And then I'm going to mix them all together in my little cup like this. It may be a little bit lumpy, so I'll use a toothpick to mix it up a little bit. And then I'll pour it into my bottle and give it a little bit of a shake, and it's ready to go. Question 1. What kind of bottle did you use, and how much sanitizer did you make? Question 2. What problems did you have trying to make this? Question 3. How did you calculate the percentage alcohol content? Question 4. What would happen if you added more gel?